This is a video showing the unboxing of Snow 7, which we will now lift out of the box. You'll notice it's wrapped in a plastic protector. We lift the cardboard out from underneath, and underneath we will find a plastic bag with the user guide, registration document, and a cleaning cloth. Next is the padded carry pouch, and then there are some cables. There's an HDMI cable. There are plastic covers on the end. You can remove those before using it. There's also an audio extension cable. There's a USB cable for connecting to a Windows computer, and the power adapter, of course. So let's take a look at the pouch. Just remove the plastic wrapping, and you'll notice that it's zippered, and inside it is nicely padded, bright green inside. Now let's take the Snow 7 out of the plastic. Takes just a second to do that. And just put your plastic to one side. And what we will now do is insert the Snow 7 into the case. We'll close it with the zipper, and now we're ready to go. That's simple.